trainee. My name is Kenneth. I am your trainer for today, and we are going to tackle a topic called checklist and workshop management. And somebody can ask, what is a checklist? A checklist is a list of tasks that needs to be completed. Maybe it's being used to workshops in school, institutions, companies, and so many places whereby inspection should be done. And now I have a sample of a checklist. Alright, so here we have a sample of workshop inspection checklist. And here we have a department. So here you write building and civil department. This is our department. If you are in mechanical, write mechanical or department that you are. We have inspection date. Here is where you write inspection date. Then we have inspector name and signature. So you write here, for an instant, Kenneth Tikolo, then you sign. And then for our first topic, we have layout and housekeeping. We have category of items. We have this Y stands for up to standard, N stands for below standard, and NA stands for not applicable, and we have a section of comment and hazards. Now for first item, we have area is tidy and well organized. If the workshop is organized, then here you write Y, which stands for up to standard. Then here, if no, you may write below standard, represented by N. Then we have a number of items here. Let's go to number 2. It's the same thing. And to this last section, you see we have action in bracket, person, responsible, and target date. If I am responsible, you write Kenneth Tikolo, and the responsible was inspection of layout and housekeeping. Then I write the targeted date. Number 2, we have hand tool, and we have the items here. We have Y and N, that this is up to standard, below standard, not applicable, and tools are available or is sufficient. If there is an occasion here and you need to do a comment, you comment here, and also you put an hazard here concerning the items respectively. Then the third one, we have machine and equipments. We have the category of items. For example, we have guard and safety device in place. And if yes, if Y, this Y stands for up to standard, you comment here, and ensure that you have to comment between these 3 boxes so that you may put the hazards at the last stage. Then here we have safety, PPE, the same way. We have items. If it's up to standard, you put Y. If it's below standard, you put N, not applicable, NA. And the same way to the last point is environmental. You will be able to know that different kind of perspective peoples are doing the research, and also they are well representative about that. Now this is a sample for a checklist. Thank you, trainee, for your time, and this session has been awesome. Let us meet next time, same day. Thank you.